Hey guys, welcome back again to my recipe channel. And so today I'm back again with a very interesting vlog that I want to share with you. Don't forget to watch till the end and also like the video. And so today is grocery day. Yeah guys, nilirauka. It was around 10 a.m. I went to the market because nilikuwa nikaenda kubuy fruits, some vegetables and maybe some small stuff. So I want to share with you what I bought from the market. Believe me, from the market, not from the supermarket, but from the market. And yes, on the first shopping bag I got some oranges. These went at around 200 shillings. Imagine, naijua oranges ni 200. And then watermelon as well. I love watermelon, and as well the kids, they do love watermelon sana. So I'll be blending the oranges with watermelon and pineapples. For the watermelon, ini ile inafuata ndogo, it goes for around 200 shillings. Yeah, and hizi ni mangoes, maembe. They're different from the ones that I blended, but by the way, I've blended different kind of mangoes. Go check on my previous video if you haven't watched. It's very juicy, very sweet, and you can have it even with your kids. Besides that, I bought pineapple, and I took 4 of them. I love pineapples. My family loves pineapple so much. So I'll be making a fruit salad. Nitaika mango, nike orange, nike avocado, nike melon and pineapple, because they do love it. And not forgetting apples. So apples ni ngumu sana ni buy from the market, sorry. So I normally buy it from the supermarket. That's why sikui buy. Yeah, and this is beans. I love githeri so much. So in the beans, the price was around 120 shillings. Then the maize ini mahindi bado ni fresh na bado ni soft, not from the market, from the farm direct. So it went at around 100 shillings. And the potatoes 50 shillings. Bananas, I love ripe bananas, but pia napenda matoke. So for the ripe bananas, these ones is in the 100 shillings at the market. They're not so ripe, but they're perfect for plantain. I will love one day to prepare a plantain recipe and share with you guys. Tomatoes, I love them when they are not that much ripe. So these went for around 200 shillings. Yeah, that's their price at the market, 200 shillings. And not forgetting onions, red onions, not just onions. I love preparing food with these red onions. Sijai jaribu the white onions, but I will try while preparing some of the recipes that doesn't need the red onions. I also bought the najera. It has spice for seasoning. Yeah, nimechoka tu kutumia Royco beef, Royco cubes, curry powder. I also wanted to blend with something else, and as well tea masala for seasoning our tea. I will make a recipe of preparing the milk tea using the tea masala spice. And of course, is nimezibuy for the first time. These are Royco cubes, but they are so spicy. They have chili. I don't know why it's not clear, but they are spicy, too spicy. Margarine for my breakfast routine. This time nimebuy yenye aina vanilla essence. I love it, the original one. It's perfect. I can use it for baking the cookies or even the biscuits. And then I wanted to try this grounded turmeric. Hii sijai nunua, but I want to try it. I never wanted to buy zile zenye ziko kwa tins. So I'll be trying this turmeric for the first time. Yeah, I also bought ginger and garlic for pilau recipes and for other marination processes. Kumbuka tuko na nyama na kuku. And thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, you can comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Till we meet on the next recipe.